ṣe needful lórí Adetoun èmi gangan máa jáde fún Dapo. Ẹ wo bó ṣe.
Ẹ wo ọ̀rọ̀ tí Adetoun tí wọ́n sọ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Dapo lórí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ tó ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin Anthony Joshua lórí ásídẹ́ǹtì. Ẹ wò wọ́n ní tí Dapo ìyẹn gọ́vnà pé tí wọn ò bá jáde kán gbé wọn lọ sí kóòtù pé àwọn gan máa jáde. Ẹ wo ẹgbọ́n nǹkan tí wọ́n sọ nínú fídíò yìí. Ẹ jẹ́ ọ̀dọ̀ ẹgbẹ́ ìgbọ́lẹ̀ subscribe sórí Gbémi Débẹ̀.
Make ends meet, Tinubu. No, make it make sense. Are you enriching your generation unborn? Or are you enriching your politicians? Or you are enriching, or you are packing the money to contest for 2027? Tinubu, make it make sense. You want to make sure? No. Tí Dapo Abiodun ò bá bọ́ta kó ṣe needful lórí Adetoun, èmi gangan máa jáde fún Dapo. Ẹ wo bó ṣe bú Dapo tó. Kí ni Dapo ṣe fún? Ṣé ex ni Dapo ni? Adetoun àti ẹ̀jẹ̀ wọ. Ìwọ tó ní integrity. Àbí wà tárísì kọ́lẹ́jọ́ gbowó lọ́wọ́ àwọn èèyàn. Adetoun ṣe bí tárísì ló ń support tẹ́lẹ̀. Àbí ẹ̀ràn ti Adetoun ni. Tó wá sí abroad. Tó parọ́ gbogbo alárí náà. Tó pe ọlọ́pàá. Tó sọ pé bàbá yẹn ó fẹ́ ṣe forceful edge. Tó ní ó harass òun. Ṣe bójú wa ni. Ó wá bọ́ta. No, ẹ jẹ́ ká bi Adetoun ṣe. Kí ni Dapo Abiodun ṣe fún? Kò sẹ́ tó ní kó má bu. Ẹ wo gbogbo irọ́ tó pa mọ́mà yẹn. Ó ló máa lọ sí pàtí kiri. Ó máa fún wọn lóyún kiri. Ó máa bá wọn sùn kiri. Adetoun, you need to be sued. You have to produce your evidence in court. You have to. Because you took it so personal. Ṣé wọ́n ló dó ni? Àbọ̀mọ́ afẹ́ ló dó. Àbí ó fún lóbìnrin tó dó tó fún lóyún. You need. Tí Dapo Abiodun bá ṣe kankan gan. Ìyàwó Dapo Abiodun, they need to, we need proof. They need to sue her. She need to provide that àwọn tó bá sùn yẹn. Kí ló dé? Ó dẹ̀ bu bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Adetoun. Àbí wọ́n kọ́ ló support pastor pedophile kan gbà kan. Doctor ṣé gbogbo yẹn rántí? Doctor pedophile kan. Tóun àti Morayo TVC tán support. Ṣé rántí? Wọ́n lọ́ọ̀kì doctor yẹn mọ́ prison Naija. Wọ́n wá release doctor yẹn. Bí doctor yẹn ṣe débí, wọ́n ti doctor yẹn mọ́lé padà. Ṣé gbogbo yín rántí Dr. Femi àbí kí ló ń jẹ́? Ohun àti Morayo TVC ṣé rántí? Tó support pedophile. Ṣé irú àwọn yẹn lè fẹ́ máa gbọ́rọ̀ sí lẹ́nu? Ṣé rí pé mi tí mo bọ́ta tí mo sọ pé ẹ mọ àwọn tẹ́ máa gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ wọn ní 2026. Ṣé rí pé mo parọ́? Ṣé Adetoun tó support pedophile? Òun náà ló máa bọ́ta lọ́la tó máa sọ pé èèyàn kan pedophile. Dapo Abiodun, eléyìí ọ̀fẹ́ eléyìí. I don't know you, but Adetoun, make her provide evidence in the court of law because the defamation is too much. Ó ní ẹ kì í ṣe nǹkan kan ní Ogun State. Ó ní ẹ máa ń dó wọn kiri. Ó ní ẹ máa ń fún wọn lóyún kiri ni. Adetoun fẹnu wúgẹ̀tì. Ṣọ́rẹ́ ẹnu ẹ̀yẹn ó máa pa 2026 ni. Ìyá Mohbad ń bóhun sọ̀rọ̀. Àbókù sọ̀rọ̀. Adetoun, she's always biased, honestly. Kí la order, kí la serve. No, ẹbí mi. Ó kọjú ìjà sí olórí burúkú Tinubu. Ó wá kọjú ìjà sí eléyìí ọ̀fẹ́ eléyìí kingdom. Ó wá kọjú ìjà sí eléyìí ọ̀fẹ́ eléyìí kingdom. No, make it make sense. Tinubu tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ wèrè ó kọjú sí. Ó wá mú eléyìí ọ̀fẹ́ eléyìí kingdom. Ó wá bu ó fún wọn lóyún kò kí n tún lu ṣe ó máa dó ó máa fún wọn lóyún. Adetoun, you will explain yourself in the court of law. Wàláhì ìbẹ́lẹ̀ yìí ò ṣe nǹkan kan àti ìyàwó ẹ̀ èmi gan máa sú ẹ̀. Àwọn olòṣì jati if not for VDM. Àwọn eléyìí and their court, they will come online and you will be seeing red like this. Wọ́n máa pe red fún yín ní white. Àwọn olórí burúkú yìí. Ìyẹn lọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ta ló tún kú? Eléyìí ni. Dapo Abiodun ló ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. Eléyìí ọ̀fẹ́ eléyìí kingdom. Yes. Rántí ni Tinubu ló sọ. Eléyìí. Kí la gbé kí la jù? Abẹ́rẹ́ sọnù wọ́n lọ gbé Ṣàngó. Kí ló ṣe? Ó dẹ̀ ṣe pé ó dẹ̀ búburú bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. No, it is not done. It is an insult on all Ogun State indigenes. Mo tún fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ kan náà. Ẹ bá mi pa wọn jàpá. Ẹ bá mi jẹ́ káwọn jàpá súnmọ́ bíbá. Exactly. Kí ló tí o call Sanwó-Olú out? No, you should know them now. ẹ ti mọ̀ wọ́n selective activist ni wọ́n ibi tó ti ń jẹ wọ́n fẹ́ babẹ̀ jẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ pé kò lè rí nǹkan jẹ lógùn state abẹ́ gbọ́ mi ẹ bá mi pa àwọn jàpá ẹ̀yin jàpá ni mo fẹ́ bá sọ̀rọ̀ lọ́sàn yìí ṣé rí àwa Naija àwa la máa ń kó bára wa. I read it in the news láàárọ̀ yìí Canada ti deport èèyàn 300 and something Canada deport 300 and something people from Nigerians today ṣé ń gbọ́ mi wọ́n dẹ̀ sọ pé ó kù 900 and something táwọn máa deport Nigerians ẹ bá mi pa àwọn jàpá ṣẹ́rẹ́ yìí jàpá ṣóṣòṣò ló máa pa yín o ṣẹ́rí nǹkan táwọn jàpá ń fèsì lẹ́yìn ní diaspora United Kingdom especially they caused it themselves ẹ jẹ́ kí n shock yín lẹ́nu you can Google it Indian ṣé ń gbọ́ mi ṣé ń gbọ́ mi ṣe rí jàpá tó ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ń ṣe fáwọn Nigerians tó ilẹ̀kùn jàpá tó ṣí fáwọn Naija ṣé ń gbọ́ mi wọ́n ti ṣí fún Indian kí n tó dé lu ìpapà èèyàn kan fún mi ní 10,000 star kẹ́gà jàmbá ọ̀la àbí kidnapping work lẹ́ni yìí ṣe ni kẹ́gà jan ó fún mi 10,000 star kò ní tán bí tẹ́tí mú bàbá mi o bó tẹ̀ jẹ́ pé mo mọ̀ yín ìbọn lẹ́gbẹ́ dání lójú ogun yìí kẹ́gà jan ẹni yóò ṣe Yorùbá o kò ṣe Nàìjíríà o kẹ́gà jan 10,000 star máa ló fún mi that's about 200 pounds money yẹn àbí èlò nìyẹn náà ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń gba star èlò ní 10,000 pounds yẹn kẹ́gà jan ìbọn ló gbé dání lórí profile picture yìí àbárísìn ni àrísìn tiẹ̀ láwọn náà ibi fọ́ èdè ọkùnrin lẹ́tí máa ọkùnrin tó láwọn ló fò nǹkan tí ò ṣe tí níyàwó nìyẹn adó nípa kẹ́rájà àbọ́fà ọfà ló gbé dání ṣé wọ́n ń tà ni. àbí ọ̀ máa fi mí 10,000 rí lórí Facebook star. Kerajan, àbí àìdè enter your eye. Kerajan ti fi 10,000 star ó ti fi gba iye mi. Ibo mo sọ̀rọ̀ dé ní ẹ̀hán létí. Àbí àìdè Kerajan ni. Ó ti fi 10,000 star ó ti fi gba iye mi lọ. Ìtẹ̀mọ̀ kan tí mo sọ mọ́ yá. Ẹ jẹ́ ká close. Kerajan ti dà mí lórí wí lọ́sàn yìí. Kerajan. Don't get me wrong. This country I am, we pay tax. We pay tax. And we will continue to pay it because we can see the evidence of our tax. Am I communicating? We pay tax here. Everything we pay tax. Gbogbo nǹkan là ń sọ tax mi bá. But I'm always proud to pay the tax because we can see the evidence. The little social amenities, Nigerians don't enjoy it. No good road, no good health care, no good nothing. And Tinubu want to collect tax. Youth, you have to protest it. You have to say no. No. This is where I expect you people to start shouting. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ ní pariwo. Wọ́n náà ṣe food fear. Ibẹ̀ láti máa rí yín. Wọ́n pè yín sí job fear. Ṣé ìyá tó ń ta àgbálùmọ́ tí gbogbo network tí ẹ wọ́ 1,000 ẹ tún máa yọ tax ẹ̀ Tinubu Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ ó jẹun èpè sanra. How wicked can your politicians be? How wicked can they be? You are not enjoying ṣé mo nǹkan tó ń pè ní social amenities ṣá àwọn nǹkan kéékèèké tí ọmọ onílùú ń di àǹfààní lára ìlú pé mo jẹ́ ọmọ onílùú ẹ máa jẹ́rí ẹ Nàìjíríà ẹ máa jẹ́rí ẹ abẹ́ ẹ̀gbọ́n mi ni. Hey. Now wọ́n wá sọ pé wọ́n ti mú driver Anthony àbí wọ́n náà máa gbé lọ sí court. I was so disappointed. Ẹ gbọ́ mi ṣá ṣáwọn ọ̀rẹ́ Anthony ló máa kọ́kọ́ kú ní Nàìjíríà ni. Àìmọye ẹ̀mí tó ti sọnù. Mo wá ń sọ fún yín lẹ́ni pé tí ò bá ń ṣe pé Anthony tí gbogbo ayé mọ̀ tó wà nù kinní yẹn ni abẹ́ ẹ̀gbọ́n mi wọn mà ní ṣe nǹkan kan ojoojúmọ́ ìjọ tí àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ Anthony gan kú yẹn gan ẹ̀gbọ́n mi àìmọye èèyàn tó kú nípa pé there is no good road nípa pé àwọn trailer park sí títì ṣùgbọ́n torí ó ti jẹ́ Anthony kò má lè dá fún Nigeria government o wọ́n ní what is good for the greases is good for the ganders just because gbogbo ayé ló mọ̀ Anthony. It is a world thing. Ẹ wá ń gbé, ẹ wá ń update. The driver is going to be prosecuted. Do you know how many people have lost their lives because of reckless driving? Nigeria is the most hypocritical country I have ever seen. Exactly. No electricity, no good road, nothing. And you are saying they should pay tax. No, make it make sense because Sherry, it is so unfortunate. Many of you living in Nigeria, you don't think about your condition in Nigeria than our time baby gone. Abeg bomi, our time baby gone. O man dùn wá. Ọ̀rọ̀ yín man dùn wá ju ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń gbé Nigeria lọ. And do you know why tọ́rọ̀ yín ṣe man dùn wá? Because we are living in a country where things work. Mo gbàdúrà pé gbogbo yín tẹ́ ń wò wá lẹ́ni tẹ́ wà Nigeria. Ọlọ́run á ṣe, even if you are not coming to stay here, Jehovah will give you money. Jehovah will enlarge your coast. That you will even travel to diaspora. You will travel abroad, to see what you are talking about. That is why when you see people in diaspora, we fight more than you living in Nigeria for you Nigerians. We talk more about the condition you people are living in Nigeria. Probably because we live in a society where things work. When God make a way for many of you that you have the opportunity just to come for holiday, you will know what I'm talking about. You will curse the day you have those nuisance, those thieves as politicians. You are not enjoying anything. No job, nothing. Nothing is working in Nigeria. Nothing. Which way? And let me tell you, Tinubu is coming for second term. Abebo, Mumbo, Edu. Tinubu bọ̀ for second term. Let me shock you. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n shock you gbogbo yín sìn. Tinubu bọ̀ for second term. Tí Tinubu bá wọlé, ẹ jẹ́ sọ́nà bọ̀yà. Ẹ bi mí pé kí ló dé? Because this is his last term. So he will ó máa ṣe yàmàyàmà ní. Ká sọ pé yìí níbò tẹ́ máa dì fún ni. Ó ṣeéṣe kó ṣe dáadáa. Ẹ máa jẹ́ sọ́nà bọ̀yà. Ìjọ tí Tinubu bá ti wọlé fún second term, mo máa block gbogbo ẹ̀yin Nigerian contact tí mo ní ni. Mo máa block yín ni because ẹ lè wá fi wàhálà pa wá. He removed the subsidy. Olówó subsidy yẹn àwọn fẹ́ fi ṣe nǹkan ni. Kàkà kó fowó subsidy ṣe nǹkan. Ó ra mọ́tò bọ̀gìnì. Ó rà fáwọn àwọn politicians. Ó kówó fún wọn. Kò sí ìlú tí Tinubu ò tí ìyàwó. Kò sí ìlú tí Tinubu ò tí ìyá owó. Ṣé yín YouTube mọ̀ pé yín ló ń yáwó yẹn dè ṣá? Mọ̀ pé yín ló ń jẹ gbèsè yẹn dè. Ẹ̀yin youth. Millionaires are getting richer in Nigeria and the poor are getting poorer. In Nigeria now, there is no middleman. Kò sí pé èèyàn kan wà middle. Ìsídà kò poor kò tálíkà. Àbí kò lówó. Now mo wá fẹ́ sọ nǹkan fún yín. Àwọn tó lówó yẹn náà, inú òṣì ló wà. Ẹ bi mí pé why? Ẹ wo nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí àwọn Anthony ní last week yẹn. The rich people might tell you, we have money to fly on air. But there will be some time they will need to drive. Accidents can happen to anybody at any time. Nǹkan tó ṣe fi kí gbogbo wa ká ṣe panupọ̀ ká sọ pé nǹkan tí ò dá kò dá nìyẹn. This Tinubu government is the worst in the history of Nigeria. In the history of Nigeria, Tinubu government is the worst. Exactly. Even your vote does not count. Exactly. They will manipulate it. They will manipulate your vote. Ani mo wá ń bèrè sẹ́. Títí Anthony ò bá ṣẹlẹ̀. Wọn ò mọ̀ pé máa prosecute driver. Do you know that tó bá yẹ pé báwọn driver yẹn ṣe ń wa recklessly, bó ṣe wa mọ́tò recklessly, ká ní bó ṣe ń ṣe yẹn lọ́ ṣe máa prosecute wọn. Ó ṣe é ṣe ká má ní wàhálà tó tó ní Nàìjíríà ipe wọ́n ń pààyàn. Abẹ́mọ̀, but just because it's Anthony Joshua. Abẹ́gbọ́n, which way Nigeria? Ìgbésí ayé yín ò kàn wọ́n. Tẹ́níbàjẹ́ ò kàn wọ́n. Wọn ò nífẹ̀ẹ́ yín at heart. God bless the king. If there is one thing, let me shock you this afternoon. I'm going to talk about the UK now. UK, wọn ò ní nǹkan tó ń di owó fún wọn nílùú yìí. They don't have anything called natural resources in UK. But ask me one question. Why does God continue to bless them? Because they have the love of their citizen at heart. They look after their elderly. They look after the children. They look after the young people. They look after the people that are not in work. They give loans. They give to the students to go to school. You know, they make everything easy for people because we pay tax. And you keep wondering, God keep blessing them because in Kotolong fe won share. It is not about praying from Monday to Sunday. Because in Kotolong so fe won share. That is why God will not cease to bless them. Nigerian government, they don't have your love at heart. Ba kuko se ito kon. Oh, ba ma ṣiṣẹ́ kò sí ito kon. Òun ló máa mú university Thomas strike for years. 1 year, 6 months, 2 months. Kò sí nǹkan ní dá sí. Kò kàn wọ́n. Because àwọn ọmọ wọn ò sí ńbẹ̀. And I'm always saying this. Sherry continue you need. Jerry Rawlings, go and read about him. The former president of Ghana. Jerry Rawlings. Ìgbà tó wọlé, ó kọ́kọ́ wipe out gbogbo àwọn olórí burúkú, àwọn old politicians Ghana yẹn, ó pa gbogbo wọn dànù. Wọ́n wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ new Ghana. Òun lẹ fi rí tó túbà tó túṣe fún Ghana lẹ́ni. Sherry tó bá ti pa gbogbo àwọn olórí burúkú, àwọn Tinubu, gbogbo àwọn olófò yìí. Nigeria ò tí lè tú kò lè túbà kò lè túṣe. Ẹ wo Tinubu sìn. He is preparing his son, Seyi Tinubu, to be either governor àbí senate. Ketomo, wani Seyi di governor, abo wani senate. Abeget. Wọ́n rí wọn rẹ́yìn mẹ̀kúnnù. Wọ́n rí wọn rẹ́yìn. And let me tell you, Nigeria, they produce the best in African countries. They have intelligent people. He's preparing his son. He's preparing his son. I can tell you that for free. Ṣọ́fìrún imú tí yín gbóòórùn. Tọ́ni ẹ̀ lè jọba ni. wọ́n máa ṣe from generation to generation. Wọ́n dẹ̀ máa ṣèkà fún yín. Wọ́n máa ṣèkà fún yín. Ẹ dẹ̀ wá wọn tó ń celebrate pé kẹ́ dìbò fún ẹ. Olórí burúkú wọn. Wọn ò kọ́lé fún wọn, wọn ò ra mọ́tò fún wọn. Peanut. Àpò ráìsì lọ fún wọn. Bí a kọ fún wọn 100,000 ó ti tán. Wọ́n ti jẹ ọjọ́ ọ̀la àwọn ọmọ máyé. Àbí kò yé yín? Àbí kò yé yín? Ẹ bá mi pè Adetoun. Adetoun, I saw your video. I saw your video regarding Dapo Abiodun. Eléyìí off. Adetoun, ṣé Dapo Abiodun dú ẹ rí ni? Àbó dú ẹ tí ò fún ẹ lówó ni? Àbó ó jí ẹ dó ni? Àbẹ́ ti dóra yín rí ni? Kí ló dé? Abẹ́rẹ́ sọnù wọ́n lọ gbé Ṣàngó. No. Kò sẹ́ni tó ní kẹ́ má bú government. But Adetoun, you made it so personal. You made it so personal. Adetoun, kí ló dé? Kí la order, kí la serve, kí la gbé, kí la jù. Ṣ'Abiodun ni. Okay, me tell. O lè bú Abiodun, o lè bú anybody. Ẹ má ṣì mí gbọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń wò mí lọ́sàn. Ẹ má ṣì mí gbọ́. Ibi tí mo ti ní problem pẹ̀lú Adetoun ni pé ó wá sọ pé kò ní ṣiṣẹ́ as governor. Ó ń dó wọn, ó ń fún wọn lóyún kiri. Believe Adetoun at your peril. Kí ló kọ pé governor yẹn ó ń bá wọn sọ fún wọn lóyún? Kí ni yẹn fi tọmọ pé kò sí stretcher, kò sí ambulance? Adetoun, you are fighting your personal fight. You are not talking for the people. Ṣé ẹ pé the same thing tí Ìyábọ̀ ṣe nìyẹn? Ìgbà tó fẹ́ fight Naira Marley. Ṣé ẹ pé the same pattern àwọn people yìí mú jáde? Governor Dapo Abiodun, mo pa láṣẹ ni mo dá lábàá. Governor Dapo Abiodun, you have to sue Adetoun. She needs to provide evidence. Àwọn tẹ́ fún lóyún, àwọn tẹ́ bá sùn. No, I am not disputing. Mi sọ pé kó má bú Dapo. Anybody tó bá wà ní top, I will allow láti bú wọn. But nǹkan tó bí mi ni pé ó sọ pé Dapo fún wọn lóyún, ó ń bá wọn sùn kiri, báwọn people ṣe máa ń ṣe nìyẹn o. Ṣé wọ́n ti pé VDM náà sọ? Ó ní Ìyábọ̀ Òjó sọ pé Abu Ebed ó máa ń ṣe forceful entry. Báwọn people ṣe máa ń package rọ́mọ́yàn nìyẹn. Àrí ambulance on site. Number 2, àrí stretcher. Anthony ó ní accident. Ẹ wá mú Anthony bọ́ta nínú mọ́tò. Anthony wá ń fẹsẹ̀ rìn. Ó lọ wọ inú mọ́tò mi. No, please, make it make sense. Anthony shock. Anthony accident. Ẹ wá mú ó bọ́lẹ̀ nínú mọ́tò kan. Ó wá fẹsẹ̀ rìn lọ wọ mọ́tò mi. Naija tó sọ pé giant of Africa. Make it make sense, please. Ẹni tó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ní ghastly car accident. Ṣé gbogbo yín ti gbọ́? Anthony tún àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ yẹn nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yẹn wá ṣẹlẹ̀. Àwọn kan ò dẹ̀ mọ̀ nǹkan tó jẹ́ kán ṣe. Wọ́n wá mú kámẹ́rà. Wọ́n wá ń ya fọ́tò òkú tó wà ńlẹ̀lẹ̀. Ẹ bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run. Nàìjíríà, ṣé torí content you did not cover their dignity. Nigeria. Ẹ wá mú wọn bí nǹkan yẹn ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀, ẹ dẹ̀ ya fọ́tò wọn bí orí yẹn ṣe kúrò lára wọn. Ẹ dẹ̀ ya fọ́tò yẹn, ẹ dẹ̀ gbé sórí social media. Ìwọ tó jí abiyamọ tó dẹ̀ jí abiyamọ tó gbé fọ́tò yẹn, tó bá yìí máa jí abiyamọ, báwo ló ṣe máa rí tó bá jí abiyamọ tó ríru sí nìyẹn? If such happen in this country, a fojú rí òkú mi àti ọdún tí mo ti wà nílùú, mo ò fojú rí òkú rí. Mi ò rí òkú sójú nílùú rí. Mi rí òkú sójú. Accidents happen in everywhere. I'm not going to go against that. But do we see the victims? No. Because immediately it happens, the police will be there within a twinkle of an eye. They will barricade it. They will block the road. Am I communicating? Now, accident yẹn wá ṣẹlẹ̀. Àwọn Naija, ó dẹ̀ ń ya photo. cannot comprehend it. Wọ́n dẹ̀ ju photo yẹn. Ẹ dẹ̀ ju sórí internet. Ẹni tó ju photo yẹn. Mi ní ṣépè. Ẹ má jẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀. Nigeria is finished. No matter how you want to sugarcoat it. Nigeria has no dignity. Nigeria is finished. There's nothing you want to talk about Nigeria. I don't care. Just because you want to make a content out of a dead body. That was not an intentional act. Ẹ wá gbé ìwòwò ọmọ lọ́mọ. Orí tí ò sí lára wọn. Ẹ wá gbé sórí social media. Okay, Facebook has removed it. Thank you. Thank you. I was just mo kàn gbé ẹni tó post kíní yẹn ṣe pé ni pé how do báwo ni irú nǹkan báyìí ṣe ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Wọ́n níbi tó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ yẹn náà wọ́n jí aago Anthony. Which way Nigeria? Ẹ̀yin Naija kí ló dé? Now, nǹkan tó lè ṣẹlẹ̀ ti ṣẹlẹ̀. There was no stretcher. Nigeria nìkan ni mo ti rí. Tó jẹ́ pé ambulance Naija òkú ló máa fi ń gbé. You can challenge me. Lè rí kí Nigeria fi ambulance gbé accident victim. Àbí kó fi gbé àwọn èèyàn. Àbí victim of, accident. Òkú. Nigeria ṣì need the training. Àbí ẹ gbọ́ mi. Òkú nìkan ni Naija máa ń fi ambulance gbé. The ambulance on site. The stretcher. Irú Anthony tó mú bọ́ta nu mọ́tò yẹn, tó mú lọ sínú mọ́tò mi. Kò ní ṣẹlẹ̀. Because Anthony was still in shock. Ẹ wá mú, ó bọ́lẹ̀, ó bọ́ sílẹ̀, ó wá fẹsẹ̀ rìn, ó lọ join mọ́tò mi. Where is the stretcher? The stretcher. Rí nǹkankan. And this so-called country called Nigeria. Tinubu wá sọ pé láti first, wọ́n máa sọ tax. Tinubu, what do you want to do with the public tax? You can collect tax from the big companies. I am not disputing that. But the Mekunus, the poor people that are struggling. I beg me. Anything VDM represents on this social media, forget it. Kò sí bá ṣe lè rìn tó láyé yìí kó rí mami. VDM has its own shortcomings. That is why we are human. Am I communicating? That is why we are human. Please, for God's sake, I will advise you this afternoon that anybody that comes on social media to tell you that I want share charity, I want buy your kogba owo, please be careful. Many of us don't have that money. But because Nigerians, we are givers. Even if we don't have anything, even tabanin kokon, even kebi makpawa, we are givers. That is why they took advantage of us during Mohbad's case. Mohbad's family knew all that happened to Mohbad. They knew all the money we are contributing. What in Monkota on Mafishe? Just because they know we Nigerians, we are givers. No matter how hungry we go, we will give. That is why you see many of these people on Instagram now. They go on the road to set camera, trying to give people money. Because one way pay, Nigerians must contribute. Am I communicating? Ìgbà tí Jade Jakpata tó fẹ́ rip gbogbo public off. A ní kó wá dáwọ́ níwájú pẹpẹ. A pè yàn kan kó máa gbé owó yẹn lọ. Meanwhile, ó ń padà lọ lẹ́yìn lọ bá wọn pín owó yẹn ni. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ mo bẹ̀ yín ni. They are milking from our generosity. They are milking from our good heart. They are milking from our kindness. Ẹ wo lady tó ń pè ní, lady tí máa ń pè ní Bucky aṣẹ́wó tó re Turkey yẹn náà. Ìgbà tí Fọlá àti Lizzy tó ní misunderstanding. Èṣù owó bàtà Bucky ó sáré jáde. ó lóun ń gbèjà Fọlá, ó ní kán máa dáwó fún Fọlá. Orí social media yìí wọ́n dá owó ilé fún Fọlá, wọ́n kọ́lé, wọ́n náà fẹ́ kọ́lé fún Fọlá. Ilé dè ní àrílé Fọlá. Aṣẹ́wó tó re turkey of woolish, èṣù of woolish. Kò sílé, wọ́n odidi owó ló dá fún Fọlá kó fi kọ́lé fún Fọlá. Wọ́n ò rí owó, wọ́n ò kọ́lé. Ó tún yá ó sọ pé wọ́n fẹ́ ra mọ́tò fún Fọlá. Tẹ́ ẹ̀ bá mọ̀ Fọlá, Fọlá ni ex tí ọkọ Lizzy fẹ́, ex ọkọ Lizzy, ex Fọlá ni ọkọ Lizzy. Ṣó ti yé yín? Nǹkan kò ṣe Fọlá, orí internet wọ́n wá dáwó fún Fọlá. Fọlá lápá, ó ní ọwọ́. But just because wọ́n fẹ́ fi Fọlá bá Lizzy jà, wọ́n ní kó kọ́lé fún Fọlá, wọ́n dá owó ilé fún Fọlá. Dèní yẹn bá mi pé Dorcas, ẹni kó mú ìwé ilé Fọlá síta, àárí ìwé ilé Fọlá. Ó tún yá ó sọ pé wọ́n fẹ́ ra mọ́tò fún Fọlá. Ṣé ń gbọ́ mi? Wọ́n dá owó fún Fọlá. Ṣé ń gbọ́ mi? Wọ́n dá owó mọ́tò fún Fọlá. Dèní yìí gbogbo owó tó jẹ́ kó ná fún Fọlá, àlè ẹ̀ tó ń dó ní Nàìjíríà ló ná lọ́wọ́ fún. Ṣé ń gbọ́ mi? Mo máa bẹ̀ gbogbo yín ní ọ̀sán ìtẹ́ ń wò mí, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ mo bẹ̀ yín ni. Don't let, this is 2026, if I'm not mistaken. Don't let all these people that are, pretending they are doing charity for people. Abeg gbọ́ mi. Pretending pé àwọn ṣẹ́rí má sọ kankan. Ẹni tó bá sọ pé òun fẹ́ ṣe charity, àbó òun fẹ́ ṣe activist, ẹ jẹ́ kó kọ́kọ́ ná owó tiẹ̀ ná. Anybody tó bá bọ́ síta tó lóun fẹ́ ṣe charity àbó òun fẹ́ ṣe activist tí ò ná owó tiẹ̀, ó fẹ́ kówó yìí jẹ ni. Kò sẹ́ tó bẹ́ anybody kó ṣe charity. Kò sẹ́ tó bẹ́ anybody kó lọ platform ẹ̀. Àbí kò yín, ó wá di pé ṣé rí gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ́rọ̀ àrísìn yìí, ó ti rí wa bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Ó ti rí wa bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Nàìjíríà máa ń ṣàánú. Èmi tẹ́ ń wò for example, máa fi rá mi máa ṣe scenario lọ́sàn-án. Èló gan lówó tí mò ń gbà lówó iṣẹ́. Mo ò níyá, mo ò ní bàbá. Mo ò ní ẹbí tó ń dà mí láàmú ipe fún wa lélẹ̀ fún wa lélẹ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n 80% of owó iṣẹ́ mi ìtọrẹ àánú ló ń bá lọ. Kí má ì tí gbọ́ sétí ni. Abẹ́ gbọ́ mi. Many of àwọn tá dẹ̀ help yìí, let me shock you this afternoon. Àwọn gan rí ṣe jù wá lọ. Abẹ́ gbọ́ mi. Now, ẹ jẹ́ ká bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti bẹ̀rẹ̀. VDM came out. VDM ò tí bọ́ta. Ṣé rí Harrison ìgbà tèmi ti mọ Harrison ní orí Facebook. Please, many of you watching me this afternoon, in all what you do in your life, in this 2026, I pray to you, pray for spirit of discernment. Spirit of discernment, ó ṣe kókó gan. Tó bá ń wo èèyàn lórí social media, àbí anywhere tó bá bá your deal, má bèrè fún kọ́lọ̀ máa fún ẹni spirit of discernment. The first time I came across Harrison video on social media, níwájú Ọlọ́run àti ènìyàn, my instinct told me immediately that this guy is fake. Abẹ́ gbọ́ mi. Ẹ má gbàgbé pé Harrison and VDM, when you are there to compare them, you are, ó dàbí kẹ́ máa compare òkú pẹ̀lú ohun. Abẹ́ gbọ́ mi. Harrison dẹ̀ take vulnerability àwọn èèyàn. Ó fi gba owó lóríṣiríṣi. Àṣé VDM ó ti ń bò tipẹ́tipẹ́. VDM ti ń bò àṣírí ẹ̀ tipẹ́tipẹ́. VDM ti ń bò àṣírí bọ̀bọ́ ẹ̀ tipẹ́tipẹ́. Tí VDM bá ti sọ̀rọ̀, wọ́n sọ pé ó jealous Harrison ni. What is in Harrison that VDM want to be jealous about? In all ramification, Harrison cannot stand VDM. Ẹ gbàgbé. Even táṣírí Harrison ò bá tú. You can never compare VDM with Harrison. It's an insult on VDM's personality. Abeg gbọ́ mi. Harrison will come out. Ibi tó ti jẹ́ ká ti bí ìṣáná kíyèsí ogun. Báwo ni Harrison ṣe jẹ́ intermediary between kidnappers and the families of the kidnappers? Our Naija, a máa ń jẹ́ kí emotions could take the better part of us. When we are into emotions, we don't think deep. Harrison will organize kidnappers. Harrison no tún mama ṣe intermediary between the kidnappers and the families. Make it make sense. Shaggy, Mama Sokinikon, and you all know me. I will not come online to lie to you. I will, as I'm always telling you people, nobody will tell you my stories. Nobody will tell you my past. People to me, Shaggy, my suffering. VDM had come out several times to tell us about his past. Yeah? Ohun ti ṣe oríṣiríṣi nǹkan rí. Àbí kò yé yín? Now, Harrison, just because Harrison mọ̀ pé Nigerians immediately comes online to fake kidnapping, to fake everything, people will fall for it and start donating. Please, gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń wò mí lọ́sàn-án, even if you don't have what to do with your money, ẹ máa dá sínú kóló, ẹ jẹ́ ká bẹ̀rẹ̀ challenge. Owó tẹ́ ń dá fún wọn lójoojúmọ́ yẹn, ẹ máa fi sí kóló, kẹ́ wo nǹkan tó máa dì fún yín at the end of the year. Many people don't have this money. I can tell you authoritatively. Many people don't have this money. Abeg gbọ́ mi. But just because Nigeria ní àánú, olójú àánú ni wá lágbárí, quickly they will all come out. Lágbájá need the help. Tàmẹ̀dù need the help. Ẹ wo nǹkan tí Harrison ṣe. Ó tún wá dé láti police station. Harrison refused to come and, explain to the public. If not, tí pé VDM tú àṣírí boy, many people are still saying they stand with Harrison. Mo wá ń bèrè lọ́wọ́ yín ni, gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ dúró ti Harrison, ṣẹ́ṣẹ̀ tí ń ro yín ni, ṣé arthritis ti mú yín lẹ́sẹ̀ ni, ẹ má dúró ti Harrison mọ́. Kí ló dé tá ṣe burú báyìí? Ẹ wá sọ pé ẹ fẹ́ better Nigeria. And VDM is calling this guy out. Ẹ sọ pé ó ń jealous. If not for VDM on this social media, ẹ mọ̀ nǹkan tí gbogbo àwọn yẹ̀yẹ́ Britain yìí máa ti fojú yín rí. Àwọn influencers yín, wọ́n á gbowó, wọ́n ò ní báyọ̀ ṣe advert, wọ́n á lu jìbìtì fún yàn, wọ́n á ta ọjà òkùnkùn fún yín. May God bless the womb that bettered VDM. May God bless VDM wherever he is. VDM is an asset, is a good global asset that Nigerians should be praying for. If not for VDM, people like Harrison will milk, will steal, will be. Ewo gba tó ti mú Harrison. Ewo gba tó ti mú Harrison. Napping go, ajínigbé ó dínkù. Ajínigbé dínkù nílẹ̀ East. VDM has changed a lot in Nigeria system. You will not see most of these influencers coming out to steal, to scam people online again. If not for VDM no dey carry pé if anybody come online to tell you things, ask for evidence. Gone are those days when they will tell us Naira Marley ló pa Mohbad, tá ní bèrè evidence, tá mama sọ pé cancel Naira Marley, cancel Naira Marley. I am begging you, even before you do that charity, ẹ wo obìnrin tó fún Harrison ní £600. Sorry, 600,000 naira. Ó ní wọ́n jí èèyàn gbé. Wọ́n dẹ̀ fún ẹ lówó kó lọ fi gba ọmọ yẹn sílẹ̀. Ó dẹ̀ dá syrup, ó block woman yẹn. Who does that? VDM now call this guy secretly. Ó ní go and pay that money. We don't even know that VDM has been protecting this guy so that he will not be exposed. And that is just a piece of the iceberg. Evidence shock. There are a lot of reports tó wà lórí Harrison. Ó ti ń lu jìbìtì yẹn tipẹ́. Òun ló máa pé olè kó wá jà, òun ló máa pé olóko kó wá mú. And just because some people they don't like how VDM is exposing their favorite, they just detest that guy for nothing. let me tell you, ikú ò ní pa VDM, àrò ò ní pa. God forbid, if anything should happen to VDM today, Nigeria, you are finished. Nigerians, you are finished. God forbid, if anything should happen to VDM, Nigerians, you are finished. Wọ́n fi ìyà jẹ yín. Wọ́n fi ìyà jẹ yín. Wọ́n máa fi ìyà jẹ yín o. Because all these your celebrities, you worship, you celebrate, you see as gods, and these your politicians. Listen, they don't have your love at heart. They are just doing it because they want to milk from the government. They are just doing it because they want to be popular. They are just doing it because they want to advertise themselves. They are not doing it because they have your love at heart. Ewo. And he's now even coming out to make a damage control. And I see people telling him to come out and apologize. Even if he apologizes, this is not the first time of Harrison. Harrison can never change. Harrison is an unrepentant nappers, unrepentant ajinigbe, unrepentant scammer. Harrison can never change because I can see people telling him to come out and apologize. Even if he come out and apologize, his integrity is down the drain. Integrity is bad. So even if Harrison come and apologize, and you call him madawo fun. Ko possible now. Ko possible now. Ninu kosi. I don't want to talk about people in diaspora now. Some people in Nigeria, they contribute as little as 1,000 naira. Not because they have. I'm always telling you, anybody that gives, if you see a giver, it's not because they have, they are just genuinely givers. That is why you will see some rich people, they don't even give because they are not givers. Even if you see a giver ti o ni gan, ninu kosi, ayo ha fun yin. This Harrison, mo sọ pé mi fẹ́ ṣépè lọ́dún yìí. Èpè buku tí n bá gbé fún Harrison. Àbí ẹ gbọ́ mi. If not for VDM, this Harrison, some people contribute as little as 500 naira. Harrison dẹ̀ gbé gbogbo owó yẹn, ó dẹ̀ ń ná. Ṣé ọmọ kan tí Don Jesse fún ní 20 million kó fi lọ gbálẹ̀. Fake lọ́mọ yẹn náà. Fake ni. Harrison alop wọ́n wá lọ act. Honestly, if it was in a sane country, I'm telling you today, Harrison will be locked up. Harrison will be locked up because lè sọ pé ó ń ṣe charity nílùú yìí àbí ó ń ṣe activist kó wá àwọn èèyàn jẹ. But look at Harrison. Even when he came out, he was posting picture. And let me tell you, format ni o. Harrison ti ń ṣe kíní ti pẹ́ mo sọ fún yín lórí Facebook ń gbà yẹn. Ó mọ̀ pé tẹ́ bá sọ̀rọ̀ tó bá yẹ ẹ máa dákẹ́ á tún wá gbé nǹkan mi síta tẹ́ tún máa fi máa praise. That is how we operate on Facebook then. Ṣé gbogbo ìgbà tó ignore yẹn tí ó bá ṣe pé VDM ti ń bọ́ta ni, he will not talk. After some time, he will now come out to start showing you people that he can be trustworthy again. Please, I'm begging you, for the sake of God, this is 2026. Even if you don't have anything to do with your money, put it in Kolo. Support VDM's craft. Even if you want to support, if you want to donate to anybody on social media that come out, especially on Instagram here, I beg Bobby. Anybody you want to support, and make sure pé wọ́n ti ṣẹ́gun owó, and make sure pé wọ́n ò fowó ṣe ìgbẹ́kẹ̀lé wọn. Abiko, you can still support people, but support people with integrity. Support people that have accountability. Taba sọ pé Harrison account ẹ̀ síta ńsìn, kò lè balance. Ẹ wá lọ wò ó, mo máa ń sọ fún yín tipẹ́tipẹ́. Àbí ẹ gbọ́ mi. Ẹ wo Harrison. Since Harrison have been milking the public with fake ajínigbé with scamming the public. Harrison ò bẹ́gbẹ́ dọ́gba. Harrison is still living from hand to mouth. Òun lè fi máa mọ̀ pé ṣé láwọn nǹkan kan wà. Oh, you cannot eat your cake and have it. Ẹ wo Harrison bó ṣe ti ń lu jìbìtì tó láti ọdún yìí. Abẹ́ gbọ́ mi. Harrison ò tẹ́gbẹ́. Ó yìí ń bẹ̀bẹ̀ jẹun ni. Ẹ wo inú ilé tó ń gbé. Kò rí àkójọ yẹn, kò lè lákójọ because ìlágùn àwọn tí ò ní nínú ẹkún ẹlòmíì kò rówó ilé san. Àwọn Naija mo sọ sí yo. Even níbí báyìí gan. Ẹlòmíì ò rówó ilé san, ẹlòmíì ò tí san bí ilé ẹ̀. A ní ẹ jẹ́ kí n lọ dáwó yìí. Harrison ó ti jẹ ègún mọ́yán kò ń ṣépè. Harrison ò tẹ́gbẹ́ ẹ lọ wọlé tó ń gbé. Kò lè ní ẹ wo VDM within 1 week. VDM was gifted $200,000. No be cho. No be cho. Burna Boy gave him $150,000. Integrity choke. Even if you want to donate to people, please make sure you donate to people that has integrity. People that has, transparency, accountability. It has never happened in the history of Nigeria. Ipa wọn tó ń ṣe charity, àwọn tó ń ṣe activist tẹ́ ń dáwó fún, wọ́n fi account wọn sílẹ̀. Kẹ́ máa wò, kẹ́ máa check ẹ̀ lójoojúmọ́. It has never happened. Owó yín ló máa fi gbalé, owó yín ló máa fi gba restaurant, owó yín ló máa fi ralẹ̀. Harrison, you are evil. You are evil personified, Harrison. Go and pay all those you have duped. Go and pay all those you have scammed. Harrison, or else. Look at me. Read my lips. Harrison, 2026. O ma gbóná mọ́ ẹ lára. Harrison, a gbóná mọ́ ẹ lára kò ń ṣépè. Harrison, how heartless can you be? People don't have anything. Nigeria, the world generally is not easy. People are managing. We are not politicians. We are working to make ends meet. And people are contributing just to support genuinely. And some wicked people are somewhere milking from the public. Olórí burúkú, àwa ṣe mú imú ẹ̀ bí mú ẹ̀ ṣe tẹ̀ ní bí yáyà ẹ̀ fi òbò ó fi pamọ́ ẹ̀ pọ̀ gbà tán bí ni. Very evil guy. Me, let's stand there. Rí mú ẹ̀ ni. Imú ẹ̀ bó ṣe, imú ẹ̀, ṣe rí mú ẹ̀ méjèèjì báyìí bó ṣe lẹ̀ ní ẹ lọ́wọ́ mú ẹ̀. Bí mú ẹ̀ ṣe rí ni. Abẹ́ ẹ̀gbọ́n ni. I am doing kidnapping job. Ó mà ṣe o. Ó mà ṣe o. Someone said, BJ, your fans has reduced. What is going on? Because I don't need crowd. I need me. Pharaoh. Àwọn èèyàn ni mo fẹ́. Anybody that knows me will tell you, I'm not about the crowd. Even if it is one person that is watching me, yeah? So far they see something to take back home. I don't need the crowd. Èèyàn la fẹ́ ní 2026. Me Pharaoh. Me fáwọn tó wà senseless. Me fáwọn tó yẹ pé they cannot think with their brain. I don't need crowd. This is 2026. I don't need crowd at all. What is your crowd giving me? I'm not paid on social media. Your crowd is not adding to my account balance. So what do I need the crowd for? I don't need the crowd. I need genuine, organic people. People that are sensible. I don't need crowd, please. I don't. Ṣé crowd ló fi ń ṣe ni? What is the killer àǹfààní pé èrò pọ̀ tó ń wò mí tí kò tó ń rí nǹkan kan mú lọlé? I am not in competition, please. You know, crowd, you don't see crowd on TikTok. Bari crowd, you know. Ṣé mi jẹ́ pẹ́lá ten gift ni? Àkúrí crowd náà. Àrí nǹkankan. So kí láǹfààní crowd yín? Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ̀yin wọ̀nyí sẹ́gbẹ̀ 2026 láwà mi ìfọ́ṣì ẹni bá rí mi ni mo rí. I don't need crowd. ẹ jẹ́ a máa sọ̀rọ̀ lọ. Now kí ni mo fẹ́ máa sọ lọ jàre? Kí là ń sọ lọ? VDM wa bọ́ta àwọn kan wá ní Harrison, you need to come out and apologize. What has his apology got to do with us? This is not his first time. This is not his first time, and he will not stop. It's in his blood. It is in his blood. It is in his blood. So please, I'm out this afternoon. Support VDM's craft. Support VDM. Don't look at VDM. Look at what it is delivering. And we'll cut VDM won't deliver to society. I don't need VDM in any way because nobody can scam me. Timba need anything in Nigeria. Momo bichema gets here. I live in the UK. Nobody can scam me. We have laws here. All this ariwo tanpa fún àǹfààní ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń gbé Nigeria ni. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń gbé Nigeria yìí jù dẹ̀ ni. Ẹ̀yin lẹ́ ń gbé VDM ṣépè lójoojúmọ́. Wọ́n ti torí yín gbàwẹ̀ ẹ̀ ń jẹ ọ̀sán. Àbí nǹkan tí mo sọ yẹn. This is 2026. Èèyàn tó ń follow torí pé kò ṣàǹfààní fún ẹ. Torí pé kò add to your value. Torí pé kò add mọ́ ẹ. Kàkà bẹ́ẹ̀ ó depreciate ẹni, unfollow the person. Ẹ fẹ́ mọ̀ èèyàn tí mo ti block nínú ọdún yìí. Èèyàn tí mo ti delete lórí WhatsApp mi. Àbí ẹ gbọ́ mi ṣá? Please, 2026, protect your mental health. Filter what you are going to listen to. Filter who you are going to follow. Àbí ẹ gbọ́ mi? Àbí ẹ gbọ́ mi? Because many of these people, they are deceivers. They will come online and deceive you, but they are doing something behind. Harrison, even if the world forgive you, let me give you an example. Harrison, even if gbogbo forgive Harrison, evil men do, we always go after them. Forget it. And a good example is this Pastor Prick Okafor. Pastor Prick Okafor. Look at that one too. Pastor, you know. Pastor, you know. When that Sandra came out to expose the pastor, many people don't want to listen to her because she's an accomplice as well. But immediately VDM stepped in. The pastor came out to apologize. The pastor released that Susan. Sandra. Look at that pastor as well. He came out to apologize, that pastor. He knelt down. Doris, thank you. Doris. The pastor knelt down to apologize to the public. That is the power of VDM. Forget it. It is not about Doris. VDM has a lot. You seeing him coming to kneel down, coming to say he's stepping down, it's not because of anything, no. Did you hear what they said he did? Go and watch Auntie Aduni's page. Auntie Aduni interviewed. Ó sọ pé ọmọ ìyá mẹ́ta ó dé bá wọn sùn, forceful entry. Àwọn mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta bímọ fún. Èmi ti sọ́nà. Sheriff Pastor Prick Okafor ó fi wọ́n ṣe nǹkan ni. Mo lè fàyè mi bet kò ṣe lásán. Ó fi wọ́n ṣe nǹkan ni. Ó fi wọ́n ṣe nǹkan ni. Go and check Auntie Aduni's page. Yes, ọmọ ìyá mẹ́ta tún ti jáde. Ó ti gbójú àwọn ọmọ yẹn síbẹ̀. Ó gbójú àwọn girls yẹn síbẹ̀. Àwọn ọmọ ìyá mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta ló bá sùn. Ó fún àwọn mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta lóyún. Yes, go and check Auntie Aduni's page. Look at that. And that one will climb the altar on Sunday to preach. And the apology is not even an apology. Let me tell you why he apologized. Because he doesn't want to. I don't even know how to say it. Yes, Omo Yameta is on Auntie Aduni's page. Àwọn yẹn ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ jáde ni. Àbí kò tí mo sọ yẹn. is on Auntie Adunni's page. Ọmọ ìyá mẹ́ta ló bá sùn tó bímọ. Gbogbo wọn bímọ. If not for VDM, because Doris antecedent tí ó dá, she's an accomplice. Wọ́n jọ ń pààyàn, wọ́n jọ ń ṣèkà ni. Ìgbà tó wá fẹ́ tó break promise ẹ̀ lòun náà bọ́ta sọ̀rọ̀. Yes, go and check Auntie Adunni's page. Ọmọ ìyá mẹ́ta ló fún lóyún, ló bímọ fún. If not for VDM, a lot had happened in that Nigeria. If not for VDM. And I'm always saying something. Cherio, Pastor Prikokafo, ó sọ pé òun bọ́ta òun wá bẹ̀bẹ̀. Ṣé ń gbọ́ mi? Mo sọ kíní kan fábúrò mi. Mo ní ó ṣe é ṣe kó ti change. But do you know why this is haunting him? Nǹkan tó ti ṣe ló haunt ẹ̀. Ó possible kó ti change lóòótọ́. Are you going to agree with me? Are you all going to agree with me? Because he said something. Ó nígbà tóun ti ní àwọn spiritual father. Ó lóun ti change. Is somebody going to agree with me? He might have changed. But let me tell you, evil men do which always live after them. That is why I'm telling you now, even if the world forgive Harrison, all his atrocities, all his evil ways, he's still gonna haunt him in future. Ẹ wo Pastor Prikokafo sìn. Ó ṣe jẹ́ pé gbà tó fẹ́ settle down ni evil tó ti ṣe sẹ́yìn ló wá haunt ẹ̀. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń wò mí lẹ́ni, ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe rere. Ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe rere. Ẹ rẹ́ni tó ń dùn fún sìn, ẹ máa celebrate ẹ̀. Ọlọ́run gbà fún, ó ń ṣe dáadáa láyé. Tí nǹkan tó ń ṣe lẹ́yìn tó bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní haunt ẹ̀. Tí nǹkan tó ń ṣe lẹ́yìn bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní haunt ẹ̀, ẹ bá káàánú. Ẹ kọ déètì ní sílẹ̀. Ẹ kọ déètì ní sílẹ̀. Somebody said he has not changed. I am not here to judge. We just have to talk about it. Yeah? I am not here to judge. Abiko yeyin. I am just here to tell you that he might have changed, but his past will definitely haunt him. And it is not about him alone. All of us, pata, our past will definitely haunt us, either we like it or not. So either Harrison comes out to apologize, or he doesn't come out, his past will haunt him. Forget it. His past will haunt him. Oh my G Harrison igbe, oh my G gbogbo ẹbí egbe, tí ò ní rẹ́ni gbálẹ̀. Abegbo, àwọn bandit máa pa ya ẹ̀, ó máa pa gbogbo ẹbí ẹ̀. Because I'm telling you, Toba investigate Harrison Dada. And if the police are refusing to do something about Harrison, I'm going to tell you this afternoon. The police, they are accomplice with Harrison. Harrison iba wọn ọlọ́pàá ìlú ẹ̀yẹn wọ́n jọ ń ṣiṣẹ́ ni. They are working together. I will tell you that for free. If Harrison has been doing this for years and nobody is talking, the policemen in that state, they are an accomplice. They are working with Harrison. They are working with Harrison. And this 2026, let me just tell you now, anything you are doing secretly, that you think nobody is seeing you, anything you are doing secretly, stop it this 2026. Show you 2026 is that why? Ọdún ẹ̀san ni. Ọdún káṣírí máa tú ni. Wo, ìgbà tó bá fi fún yàn ló máa fi san fún ẹ lọ́dún yìí. Kò ń ṣe pé, I am telling you for free. Anything tó ń ṣe, tó fi pa ayé ń yẹ, ayé ń gbé ẹga, ayé ń celebrate, tó bá dáwọ́ nínú ẹ̀kún bàjẹ́. Abẹ́gbọ́, ìwọ tó fi tọ́ dúdú sínú tó ń tún funfun ta, tó ń jẹ́ kọ́ rẹ pé, ẹni ló dáa jù, ẹni ló nice jù, ẹni better jù ẹni lọ. Let me tell you, Nigerians and emotion, they are like this. They are like this. You see many of them that are coming out, that you are thinking they are the best. Let me talk you, they are the worst. But this 2026, write this down. Èmi ò ṣe àwọn wòlíì, àwọn bàbá jí oyin tó ń parọ́, tó náà wọ́n ríran òfò 2026 tí ò ní come to pass yẹn o. Bó tẹ̀ jẹ́ pé ìwé yín ti kún, ẹ lọ mú diary mi fún 2026. Write what I'm saying down now. Ẹ lọ kọ sílẹ̀. 2026. Àṣírí ńlá, àṣírí oríṣiríṣi máa tú, ẹ kọ dé tèmi sílẹ̀. Ẹ tí rí nǹkan kan. Àwọn best of your best, àṣírí máa tú. Mi rẹ tó lè bò wọ́n láyé yìí. Àṣírí máa tú. Ẹ tí rí nǹkan kan. Mọ́ àwọn tó yẹ pé ibi tẹ́ fi ojú sí gan fún wọn ẹ rí báyìí ní what ṣẹ́rí èyí tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ tẹ́ ẹ̀ rí ní Paris yẹn Ọlọ́run fi ń ṣí wa létí ó fi ń ṣí wa lójú ni pé ìwà àbàjẹ́ tó ń wù lọ dẹ́kun in 2026 dẹ́kun bá 2025 lọ because a lot of exposure is still going to happen. 2026 is year of many secrets. Many secrets are going to be unfolded. I can tell you that for free. I can tell you that for free. I can tell you that for free. What else do I want to talk about? Kí ni mo tún fẹ́ sọ náà? Ẹ jẹ́ ká sọ̀rọ̀ Anthony. May Anthony's soul rest in everlasting peace. Ìgbà tí nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí Anthony